Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Litecoin's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous video we were right around these areas, and the idea was we may see another move down, possibly in form of an ABC, but even that is not going to be a bad sign at all. Why? Because in this phase up we took this important high, which is a very good sign, suggesting one way or the other this is going to remain as a corrective movement, suggesting after it's over, we are going to have some big moves on the upside. Question, has something changed in here or not? No. In fact, I would like to argue now we may see a bit of a bullish pattern in here, but before that, let's go around here. Okay, so you see, whenever you are having something like this, move down, a slow move up, a slow move down, a slow move up, but in it, we are constantly setting lower highs and lower lows. However, whenever you see this move overall, as time goes by, a slowing down, that's actually a good sign, suggesting bears are running out of power, and soon we are going to see a massive move up. Also, right in here, a lot of people most likely took some short positions, and their stop loss are actually above the previous major pivot highs. So basically, I'm trying to tell you, whenever you see something like this, please understand that these highs look absolutely juicy, and there's a very high chance that you are going to see a very sharp move up in order to hit all these people's stop loss, and this is called a short squeeze. Why am I telling you this in today's update? Because I think we may have something like that in LTC. Let's just hide everything. Okay, so this is a high, this is a lower high, this is kind of a lower high. If you want to ignore this shadow, this is a lower high, lower high. So far this might be, yeah, sure, let's say like another lower high. So I'm willing to bet a lot of people took some short positions in here, and their stop loss are above these highs. So I'm gonna say there's a very good chance in Litecoin soon you may see a rather strong move up in order to activate all the stop losses in here, and that would be a beautiful short squeeze. Also, about the pace of this move, let's just go on a less busy chart, maybe from crypto. Okay, so let's just delete the waves in here. Okay, and measure this move down timing wise, starting from this point. Okay, how long is it taking for us to have this move? About 770 candlesticks. On the other hand, this move up only happened in about 350 candlesticks. So what's the message? I'm trying to tell you, despite having way more than enough time, it seems like that bears are absolutely failing to pull the price all the way back down to at least these levels. And to me, this says once more bulls do still have the upper hand, and soon they are going to just take charge and send the price higher and higher. Are we going to get our move up from the current point? Yes, we absolutely can do something like this, maybe a pullback and then another big move up. On the other hand, if we get like another move down in order to take this low, that is not going to be a bad sign at all. It's just part of the bullish process. And finally, I'm not sure if you like classic patterns, but if you do, I think there's a very good argument to be made for this whole move down to be in form of a wedge structure. And this is the upper line. This can be, yes, our lower line. And right now, this wedge is not confirmed yet. When will it get confirmed? When we get a break of the upper line, do a pullback, and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this high. If we see something like this, that could be a great sign, suggesting our uptrend in LTC more likely than not is going to continue. And based on the evidence that we checked out in today's update, I do think this scenario is absolutely in the cards, and it might very well be the most likely one. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in LTC's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.